How to promote affiliate links with free traffic. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can promote your affiliate links with free traffic. Yes, when you have a product you want to do affiliate marketing, I will show you different platforms that help you gain the traffic you want, the organic traffic for your affiliate products, and it is absolutely free. There is no cost at all. So let's get started. Now, the first thing in order to do affiliate marketing is to find a good affiliate product, right? So you can go to any platform that you use. I am using warriorplus.com because it is free and it has a lot of products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the dashboard for Warrior Plus and find a product first, and make sure you have a product that you know about and you have an idea. For example, I have seen most of the time what people do is that they find a product, they look at it, and then they're like, okay, this is good, and they have no idea about the product, but they start doing the affiliate marketing. So that's not how it works, guys. Make sure that you choose a product that you know about, because when we create different posts and we're going to be adding them to our different platforms, we need to know about that product, because people may ask a question, and if you don't know the answers, or if your answers are wrong, that gives the really wrong expression, right? So we don't want that. So yeah, that's been said, I'm just gonna tell you how to find the product. You go to affiliate, then you go to offers, and in offers I will be able to see all of these different products that I can actually choose from. What I'm gonna do is, it's just gonna take just a while to load, and I'm gonna just give it a minute, and there you go. So I have all of these different products that I can choose from. Now, good thing about Warrior Plus is that you see all of these different things. For example, your refund rate, your average sale, your visitor value, your conversion rate, your sales, right here. So you don't have to go to different platforms to know that what product is, how the product is doing. So once you have the product from here, you can choose any product you want to, request the link, get the link, and now you have the link. Now the question is how to do free affiliate marketing, how to promote our affiliate links for free. What's gonna happen is, first I have a tip for you, a platform called Google Trends. Now Google Trends is completely free. You can go to trends.google.com. It is powered by Google, and what happens here is that on Google Trends you actually see what is trending on Google, because everybody searches on Google, right? So Google Trends gives you an idea that what is trending on Google, right? So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna simply add right here, and I can maybe add affiliate marketing on any of the platform, any platform I want to search, maybe Pinterest. So what's going to happen is Google Trends gives me an idea that how this is doing and where, in what region I will be able to see that people are actually searching for it or not. So yeah, go ahead and avail Google Trends and get an idea that which platform is trending and what areas you should do the affiliate marketing for, and then you can actually search for any of the platform and you will have a better idea. Now the first platform that we can use and we can do free affiliate marketing on is Facebook. So you come on Facebook. Facebook has a large audience, it has billions of users, right? And anything can be done on Facebook groups and Facebook pages. So what you can do is you can actually do affiliate marketing and promote your affiliate links on Facebook. There are many groups. For example, if I go to the option of affiliate marketing, I type affiliate marketing and search for different groups, you will see all of these groups, and there are many members in these groups. For example, Look at this: 76k members, 22k, 262k members, 331k members. And these groups are made for affiliate marketing. There are people that know how affiliate marketing works, and you can promote your affiliate links right here on Facebook, and it's completely free. You don't have to create any business account, or create another platform, or go to any other platform. Just with your simple account, your Facebook account, you have your product, you have found the product, then you can simply add a post on your Facebook group, and in that post you review the product and you add the link to the landing page, and then you can simply promote your product link. And the good thing about Facebook is that people are actually looking for different products all the time, and when you do affiliate marketing on Facebook, you will be attracting the audience. That is guaranteed. So yeah, you can do that. You can attract the audience for free on Facebook. The next platform that helps you gain organic free traffic for your affiliate links is Pinterest. Now, many people don't actually avail Pinterest, but Pinterest is literally one of the best platforms to do affiliate marketing on, because people are always looking for different products. They are looking for pins that they find attractive, and then what happens is that they simply pin their interest to their boards, and eventually they are attracted to that product and they actually buy the product. That's a good thing about Pinterest, is that the traffic is original. Again, Pinterest also works as a search engine as well, so there is audience. There are millions of users using Pinterest daily. They have their blogs, they are looking for different products, and many people actually do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So if you're looking to promote your links, then you should definitely avail Pinterest to gain free traffic. The last platform that I have for you is LinkedIn. You can do your affiliate marketing and promote your affiliate links on LinkedIn. If you have more than 100 connections, or maybe thousands of connections, that they will actually help you gain the traffic you want to. It is 100% organic traffic that you get from LinkedIn. Create your account, share your links through your post. You can join different groups as well. You can maybe hire somebody on Pinterest as well to manage and promote your links. But we're talking about the free strategy. So for free, you can just add posts, and people will click on your links, and you can promote your links on LinkedIn as well. Again, many people don't consider LinkedIn, but LinkedIn also has a large audience. It has freelancers, it has clients, it has this audience that is always there, and they use LinkedIn. And LinkedIn also works as a social media platform. It is all in one, and definitely will help you gain the traffic you want to gain for your product. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now 3 platforms that will help you gain free traffic for your affiliate links. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.